So far, we are more familiar with meat-eating animals or carnivores. However, it turns out that there are also plants that consume meat as a source of nutrients. With various fascinating trapping mechanisms, these plants prove that the plant world is far more dynamic and full of surprises than we ever imagined. They exhibit extraordinary adaptations that allow them to survive in harsh and nutrient-poor environments. These intriguing plants are known as carnivorous plants because they trap prey such as insects or arthropods, then dissolve them to obtain nutrients. In this video, Top Groots will summarize the 5 most interesting carnivorous plants and how they capture their targets, adapt, and thrive in these challenging ecosystems. Bladderwort is an extraordinary example of the adaptability and innovation of nature. With its sophisticated and efficient vacuum traps, this plant has managed to survive and thrive in various nutrient-poor environments. Bladderwort is a genus of about 220 species of freshwater carnivorous plants distributed across a wide range of habitats, from lakes to swamps and rivers with slow or calm flow. What makes bladderwort so unique is the small bladder-shaped traps they possess. These traps function as vacuums to capture small prey such as protozoa, insect larvae, and other microorganisms. The mechanism of these bladder traps is highly impressive, working by creating negative pressure inside them. When trigger hairs around the trap's mouth are touched by prey, the trap door opens and water along with the prey is sucked in very quickly. This process occurs in less than a millisecond, making bladderwort one of the plants with the fastest trapping mechanisms in the plant kingdom. This remarkable innovation allows bladderwort to survive in harsh, nutrient-poor environments, demonstrating how dynamic the plant world can be. Darlingtonia californica, or more commonly known as the cobra lily, is one of the most unique and fascinating carnivorous plants in the world. This plant gets its name from the shape of its leaves, which resemble the head of a cobra poised to strike. The cobra lily is a carnivorous plant endemic to the western United States, particularly in Northern California and Oregon. Unlike most other carnivorous plants that use trapping or adhesive mechanisms, the cobra lily has a very unique way of capturing its prey. With its passive trap shaped like a pouch, its tubular leaves form a deep cavity with an entrance below a hood. The translucent leaves and red splotches attract insects to enter the trap. Once inside, insects find a slippery path that is nearly impossible to climb back out of. Downward pointing hairs guide the prey further into the trap. Inside the pouch, digestive enzymes and bacteria work together to break down the prey's body, which is then absorbed by the plant as a source of nutrients. The uniqueness and ingenuity of this natural design make the cobra lily one of the most remarkable examples of innovation in the world of carnivorous plants. Nepenthes, commonly known as the pitcher plant, is a fascinating plant not only because of its exotic appearance, but also due to its unique and clever trapping mechanism. This carnivorous plant consists of more than 140 species and is typically found in humid tropical regions, especially in lowland rainforests and mountain forests. The pitcher plant has a highly efficient trapping mechanism, utilizing its pitcher-shaped structure to capture prey. The rim of the pitcher produces sweet nectar and emits an aroma that attracts insects and other prey. The slippery rim makes it difficult for the prey to maintain their grip, causing them to fall into the pitcher. Inside the pitcher, there is a fluid containing digestive enzymes and acids. This fluid not only prevents the prey from escaping, but also begins to digest them slowly. Once the prey is broken down, the nutrients produced are absorbed by the plant through the walls of the pitcher. The beauty and ingenuity of the natural design of the pitcher plant make it one of the most intriguing examples of plant adaptation for survival in challenging environments. Its trapping mechanism showcases the extraordinary ability of nature to create creative and effective solutions. Drosera or sundew is an extraordinary example of plant adaptation to nutrient-poor environments. With its clever prey-capturing mechanism and mesmerizing appearance, the sundew attracts attention not only from scientists, but also from plant enthusiasts around the world. This plant is widespread across various parts of the world and consists of more than 200 species, each with its unique characteristics. The sundew has a very effective and unique way of capturing its prey. The tentacles on its leaves secrete a sticky fluid that acts like glue to trap insects. When an insect touches the tentacles, the sundew's leaves slowly fold toward the prey, increasing contact with the sticky fluid. Once the prey is trapped, glands on the tentacles secrete digestive enzymes that break down the prey's tissues into a form that can be absorbed by the plant. The digested nutrients are then absorbed by the leaves, providing the plant with much-needed nitrogen and minerals. With such an effective method of capturing and digesting prey, the sundew demonstrates the extraordinary ability of nature to survive in harsh environments. The Venus flytrap, or Dionea muscipula, is one of the most famous carnivorous plants in the world. This plant is native to the subtropical regions of the United States, particularly North Carolina and South Carolina. The Venus flytrap is now considered a vulnerable species due to the loss of its natural habitat and illegal trade. Its uniqueness and popularity have made many people want to own it as a houseplant, often leading to a decline in wild populations. The trapping mechanism of the Venus flytrap is one of the most complex in the plant kingdom. When an insect or other small creature touches the trigger hairs twice within about 20 seconds, the trap leaf will snap shut quickly. This prevents the trap from closing due to raindrops or dust particles. Once the trap is closed, the insect will be trapped between the two lobes of the closed trap. The Venus flytrap then secretes digestive enzymes that slowly dissolve the insect's body, allowing the plant to absorb the necessary nutrients, especially nitrogen, which is scarce in the soil where they live. The Venus flytrap demonstrates the remarkable world of carnivorous plants and their ability to survive. Those were 5 extraordinary carnivorous plants. These plants remind us of the wonders and amazing diversity of nature. With their unique mechanisms and impressive adaptations, they show how dynamic life can be in the plant world. Are you interested in keeping one of these amazing plants? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below this video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.